afternoon, everyone. We are the group The Enlightened. Our patron saint is Saint Albert the Great. Why Saint Albert?
So why Saint Albert the Great? Because he delved in deep study in theology, while also having a strong devotion towards God. So he represents both gaining wisdom and while having a deep, strong relationship with God.
The schedule of our common prayer time is every day at 9 p.m. I am the father of this group.
And I'm the mother of this group.
I'm Sister 1, I'm Andrea.
I'm Sophia and I'm Sister Joaquin.
We are the brothers Juan Billy Fonseca.
I'm Timothy Andres Ibarra.
I'm Arthur Owen.
Enlightened, are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
G-R-E-A-T, raise your voice and celebrate the genius of Saint Albert the Great. Great and wisdom, science and lore, wisdom opens every door. Enlightened, we are enlightened by